Hey everyone, happy February. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. This month's theme is self-love yoga, where it's gentle movement for your body and your heart. Today we are doing a short, gentle heart opening flow with just 5 poses. We'll be going slow, so please move in a way that feels supportive for you. All you need is your mat. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's come back on our mat. Feet shoulder width apart. Inhale your arms up. And exhale, bring your palms together into prayer. Usually before we begin, we like to set an intention or an affirmation for today. So maybe today could be, my heart is open and supported to receive goodness and all that you deserve. Good. Toward the top of your mat, inhale your arms up, and exhale, bring your arms down at your sides, roll your shoulders back, open up the chest for mountain pose. This is our power pose here, where we grind our feet into the mat and we gently squeeze our calves, hamstrings, glutes, and we zip up those abs. Just settling in here. Let's take a couple breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Gently bend your knees. Inhale your arms up, all the way up to salute the sun. And let's flow. Gently come down. Tap your mat. And come up for a halfway lift. You may have your hands on your shins or on your thighs. Lengthen that spine. Gently bend your knees. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Exhale, forward fold. Very nice. Bend your knees. Let's slowly come all the way up. Inhale your hands, arms up above your head. Salute the sun. Good. Bring your hands down to heart center. Very nice. Next, let's step our right foot back. So bend your left leg. Step your right leg back. And we're going to inhale your arms up. Again, lengthening that spine, opening up your chest.
For warrior.
Good. Each inhale and exhale, we're breathing in self-love for this month. Gently loving on ourselves today. Getting a gentle practice in. Good. Inhale. And exhale. Your arms down. And let's gently open up, turn your hips, open your foot. And we're going to go straight into Warrior 2. Let's keep your abs and your stomach engaged. So pull that up and in. Look over your left arm here. Good. And let's go over here. Place your elbow into your thigh. Extend your right arm up and over for extended side angle. Good. We're gently warming up the body here, getting in a nice exercise. Again, move at your own pace. There's no rush here. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. Let's gently come up. Arms extended out. Reverse. Warrior. Let's come back. Good. Again, lengthening that spine, opening up your heart, stretching through your entire torso. Good. And let's come back to Warrior 2, looking over that shoulder. Let's straighten out your left leg, turn your foot back in, toes facing forward, and turn your right foot out. Let's do Warrior 2 on the other side. Let's go ahead and lean into that. Very nice. Inhale and exhale. Reverse warrior. Turn that palm up. And let's gently stretch back. Very nice. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. Place your elbow on your thigh. Left arm up and over for extended side angle. Good. Don't worry about being perfect here. Just do the best that you can. You should feel your body getting warm now. Very good. Nice. Inhale and exhale. Good. Bring that arm up. Come back up into warrior. Straighten your leg out. Turn to the side. And let's step up. Very nice. As we close today, let's be reminded of our intention and our affirmation. Your heart is open and supported. Great job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this gentle heart opening flow was very beneficial for you today. I hope that it helped you feel warm, got your circulation going, your energy going to receive that self-love that you so deserve. My monthly newsletter is available. Please feel free to sign up for that in the description below. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Happy Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, however you choose to celebrate. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.